We are here to tell you, I am impressed with this month's Ipsy Extra. It does come with their lovely person on the front. No, nothing wrong with her, but their usual pamphlet, newspaper, advertisement that I'm not impressed with. I think that's a waste. However, what I got in my box, I am impressed. Let's find out. We have a perfume, and normally I'm kind of hard to please in the perfume department. This is from VCVG, Essence de Vanille. They nailed it on this one. They pegged my preference to a T. I'm not saying I want to wear this in clouds of perfume every day. Yet when I'm looking for a perfume, this is going to be a go-to. Let's find those scent notes. And that was a $40 item that they chose for Anne based on her profile. And the scent notes are, the top notes, lychee and grapefruit. Mid notes, green apple, white lily, and cashmere rose. Base notes, vanilla woods, tobacco, and sheer musk. And normally I'm not a woodsy, musky gal, yet it's done in a, well, they call it sheer musk. Yeah, it's done in a sheer enough scent that, yes, it's there, but it's not overpowering to me. They nailed it on that one. We are impressed. They also chose for her a Benefit Bang mascara. Yes, the Bad Gal Bang waterproof mascara in intense pitch black. I like Benefit, especially their mascara. The spoolie, if I can find a picture of it, here we go. The spoolie is thin enough that I can actually get it on the eyelashes without making a mess or without poking myself in the eye. I'm impressed. If you had to pick a favorite of what they chose for you, what would you pick? That's a hard question. I would probably go with the perfume only because it's hard to find a perfume that I'll cozy up to. And this Benefit, by the way, was $29 in case I forgot to mention that. Then we have the other half of the box, and all of these are full size, both what they pick and what Anne gets to pick. So what did I pick? Well, I don't know, you tell us. We have a $40 item from Dew of the Gods, which is one of my favorite brands. This is an under eye cream. It is called Fia Nitro. Fia Nitro. And it has caffeine and retinol, ultra peptide under eye cream. It's tiny, but 15 milliliters. Then again, we're talking under the eye. So this should last. From Elemis, Anne picked a $49 item. It's a facial peel mask. Yes, and it's one of those that you put on, leave it on, and then you rinse off. It's not one where you have to pick at it to get it off your skin, because I don't like those. This sounds very intriguing. Papaya enzyme peel. Ooh, that does sound nice. I am impressed with the next item because it means that I get to do swatches. From GloGirl Cosmetics, we have Love Bomb. Nice and neutral, which is a little neutral for us, but there were some shears in there. Yes, and like the camel, I'm attracted to blingy things. The camel will now do swatches from GloGirl Love Bomb eyeshadow palette. Nice job in the swatching department, Miss Fatima the Camel. Thank you. I like swatching. It's fun. So what's your favorite from that half of the box? Oh boy, that's a tough one. I think I would go with the eye cream because I've enjoyed other products from Dew of the Gods. What did you see that you liked? Let me know, let me know. I'm an inquiring camel. I want to know all the details. Do you get this box? Do you want to get this box? I think we have a link of some type that will get you something if you sign up using our link. Give it a try. You might like it. And taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty. The box is now $35 a month. You get 5 full-size items for your $35. They choose 2 based on the profile that you fill out, and you can change that profile whenever you want. I tend to change it at least twice a year, sometimes 3. So they pick 2, you pick 3. I think that's a fair trade-off. They're all full size. I did notice the one thing, if I was gonna, well, besides the brochure that I think is just one big advertisement, I only noticed 3 to 4 items in the choices for this month. Not as many as usual. Yet, I was still very impressed with everything that they picked and everything that I was able to pick. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, share with your friends, tell your neighbors, tell your cousins, your aunts, your uncles. Let them all know about our channel. And we do hope to see you again. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. We got some fun stuff coming this year. See you later.